Today is the 7th day of the vessel in port and we are just close to the completion of loading. अभी भी लोडिंग ऑपरेशन काफ़ी धीरे चल रहे हैं बिकॉज बीच बीच में बारिश होती रहती है एंड कार्गो की अनअवेलेबिलिटी भी है शोर में. सो द लोडिंग इज़ वेरी स्लो बट वी आर ऑलमोस्ट गोइंग टू कंप्लीट लोडिंग मे बी विद इन फ्यू आवर्स. About 400 to 500 tons of cargo is remaining. So I'm hoping very soon we will finish that also. So उसके बाद we will be conducting the final draft survey and the fumigation because जो wheat cargo है वो पूरा लोड होने के बाद cargo holds को fumigation करनी पड़ती है so that there is no infestation or any damage due to insects. So fumigation will also take about 3 to 4 hours complete and उसके बाद we will be having a departure pilot on board maybe in the evening. So as of now that we will be departing from Brazil around 6 PM in the evening. That is the present plan. And then we will proceed to sea and towards the next destination. So until now everything has gone very nicely in this port. The loading operations, deballasting operations and all other type of inspections. Everything was perfect and fine. So I'm very glad and I thank all my crew, all the staff members, all the officers that they have done a very good and efficient job in during the stay of this port. So while we are departing, we will again check the final drafts and then we'll come to know how much is the exact quantity of cargo on board. हमारे शिप का क्रू यहाँ पे पायलट लैडर रिग कर रहा है बिकॉज पायलट इज गोइंग टू डिसएम्बार्क वेरी सून नाउ. सो वेसल ऑलरेडी पोर्ट के ऑलमोस्ट लिमिट्स के बाहर आ चुका है एंड द पायलट्स जॉब इज़ फिनिश. सो दिस इज़ द पायलट लैडर फ्रेंड्स. इसी से पायलट उतरेगा नीचे एंड यू कैन सी द पायलट बोट इज़ वेटिंग. सो गाइज, डिड यू हैव अ गुड टाइम इन इम्बतुबा?
Yes, Chip. Very satisfying moment.
Satisfying moment, huh?
Yeah, very satisfying moment.
Mark?
Beach, very memorable, sir.
So everybody is going to miss Imbituba. Maybe after next discharging we will come back here because this vessel is going to be, I think, in the Brazil run only.
So maybe you will come again, Chip, here.
Yeah, probably.
Voyage.
But maybe I will sign off in Vietnam. If no sign off, then back to Brazil. Now friends, the pilot is away. He is already disembarked and we are securing the pilot ladder now. So इस ladder को भी उठाने में काफ़ी मेहनत और शक्ति लगती है. As you can see, all our crew are picking up the ladder. So this was it friends and we have departed from Imbituba, Brazil and proceeding towards the next port. जो next port हमारा ब्राज़ील में है, we are not going there for any kind of cargo operations. The reason we are going to next port is that is in Brazil. वहाँ पे शिप की अंडर वाटर हल क्लीनिंग होगी बिकॉज पानी में बहुत देर रहने के बाद शिप के हल के नीचे और साइड में काफ़ी सी ग्रोथ हो जाती है. सो दैट इज़ रूटीन क्लीनिंग विच इज़ एवरी 6 months और 1 year डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द ओनर्स. सो इसलिए वहाँ पे अंडर वाटर हल क्लीनिंग होगी. इट माइट टेक 1 day और मैक्सिमम 2 days. वी विल रीच द नेक्स्ट पोर्ट एंड ड्रॉप एंकर. देन द शोर अथॉरिटीज़ विल कम विद अंडर वाटर डाइविंग ऑपरेशंस और शिप के हल की क्लीनिंग होगी. Guys, our ETA, that is the estimated time of arrival for the next port, is morning 8 o'clock. So अभी यहाँ पे शाम के 5 बजे हैं and tomorrow morning 8 o'clock we will arrive to the next port. So काफ़ी busy schedule होने वाला है and rest का भी time इतना नहीं मिल पाएगा crew को and officers को और engineers को. So this is going to be a very tight schedule. That now 5 PM we have departed from Imbituba and कल सुबह 8 बजे के करीब we will reach the next port. So it is going to be a very hectic day for us today as well as tomorrow and even after departure because जो underwater diving operations होंगी that will also take a good amount of time. So इसलिए all the crew we are going to expect that tomorrow early morning we will get a call for arrival stations. So in the next port as I told you underwater diving operations होंगी and hull cleaning का काम होगा.
Maybe if we reach morning and they will start, maybe they can finish also in the around 5 o'clock, but depends on the situation.
Because see, right now we are loaded condition.
Yeah, that's the problem also because we are loaded.
So most of the ship's hull is underwater. I don't know how much time they will take. So tomorrow will also be a busy day.
Tomorrow, yeah.
It's going to be busy and the securing of ropes I think we should do only after departure from there. Or maybe if we get time tomorrow,
Yeah, we get
anchorage
time
only,
tomorrow. We can do that also.
we'll do it. So we are now arriving at Paranagua anchorage. That is the name of the port which I spoke about yesterday कि हम second port में जाएंगे अभी ब्राज़ील के and वहाँ पे underwater hull inspection and cleaning होगी. So the name of the port is Paranagua. That is also in Brazil. It is not very far from Imbituba. It took us about 15 hours to reach here and finally we are arriving at the anchorage and maybe in few minutes our vessel will be anchored and then we will be waiting for the shore diving team to arrive and carry out the underwater hull inspection and cleaning. Then later we'll need these photos also to show, you know. Yeah. Friends, here you can see our bosun is going on the ship side. एक छोटी सी कुली लैडर बोलते हैं इसको जिससे ये नीचे जा रहा है and he is going to paint on the ship side because ship side में काफ़ी रस्ट था and markings मिट चुकी थी. So this job we are carrying out right now that we have to slightly de-rust and paint on the ship side. So friends, हमारा जो underwater diving operation का काम था यहाँ in the port of Paranagua, that is also in Brazil, that is already completed now and we are proceeding towards sea now towards the next port. हमारा next port अभी तक confirm नहीं हुआ. It might be somewhere in either Vietnam, Indonesia or Malaysia and that we will come to know in the course of the voyage. So we had a wonderful experience here in Brazil. All the loading operations, inspections and everything else went on very smoothly. This port stay was a success. So that's it guys from Brazil and now we are proceeding towards our next destination. I hope you liked my vlogs. Please do subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.